In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API token in Hostinger. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and wait for the dashboard to fully load so everything is easy to find. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Hostinger keeps many of the main settings and tools for your account. So if you ever need to manage developer features, this is usually the first place to check. In the sidebar, find the section labeled DevTools or Tools and click on API. This will open the API management area where you can create and manage tokens used for connecting apps, services, or custom workflows to your Hostinger account. If you're using API access for automation or development purposes, this is the section you'll be working with. Once the page opens, you should see a button labeled Generate API Token. Go ahead and click that button. This starts the token creation process. Next, you'll be asked to set a name for the token. Choose a name that helps you recognize what the token will be used for. For example, you might want to name it based on the project, app, or purpose it's connected to. Using a clear name makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if you create more than one token over time. After that, set the expiration for the token. This determines how long the token will remain active before it expires. When choosing the expiration, think about how long you actually need access. A shorter expiration can be better for security, while a longer one may be more convenient if the token is being used in an ongoing project. The key is to choose an option that matches your workflow while still keeping your account protected. Once you've entered the token name and selected the expiration, click Generate. Hostinger will then create the API token for you. At this point, make sure you store the token somewhere safe if it is shown on screen, because API tokens are sensitive credentials and should be treated carefully. Avoid sharing them publicly or placing them in unsecured files. Keeping your token secure helps protect your account and any connected services. And that's it. That's how to generate an API token in Hostinger. Once you know where the API section is and what details to fill in, the process is quick and straightforward.